Hello everyone. In today's video, we will be talking about how you can set up your WhatsApp Business API and that too without any technical knowledge. And if you don't know what WhatsApp Business API is, you can watch my previous video where I've explained everything about WhatsApp API in detail. You'll find the video link in the description box. Before starting the setup process, make sure you have the 5 things ready. First, mobile number. You should have a mobile number for WhatsApp Business API. You can use a new number, your existing WhatsApp Business app number, or you can choose Meta's free virtual number. Number 2, Facebook account. You should have a Facebook account through which you will create a business portfolio. If you don't have a Facebook account, you can create a new one, not a problem. Third, website. You should have a working website. Even if it's just a one-page website, the website should be secured, which means it should be HTTPS. If you don't have a website, click on the link given in the description box and send us a message and we'll help you out. Next is KYC document. To verify your business portfolio, your legal business name is required. That's why you should have any one valid document such as an Udyam certificate or a GST, PAN card or utility bill. Fifth, active contact of the KYC. Whichever KYC document you use, the mobile number or email ID linked to that document should be active because the OTP for verification has to be sent there. If you have all these things ready, then you can start with the setup process. Create an account on LeminAi. First of all, you need to create an account on LeminAi, which is a Meta Tech partner website. Search for app.leminai.com and then click on sign up. Enter your first name, last name and email address and then click next. Enter your WhatsApp number here. Use your personal mobile number and then click send OTP. The number that you want to connect for the API can be used later. Enter the OTP you received on your WhatsApp number. Click verify OTP and then click next. Set your password. Enter the same password again in the confirm password field. Accept the terms and conditions and click the sign up button. Step 2. Create a business portfolio in the Meta Business Suite. Now log into your Facebook account. After logging in, click on the menu icon. Then scroll down and click on Pages and then click on Meta Business Suite. Now click on Business Assets and then click on a Create a Business Portfolio. Enter your first name, your surname, business email address and then click Create. Now click Next and then click Confirm. That's it. Your business portfolio has been created successfully. Step 3. Fill business details in the portfolio. After creating your business portfolio, you need to add your business details. First, click on Business Info. Then, under the Business Details section, click on the Edit option. Here, enter your registered business detail. After filling in the details, click Save. Step 3. Set a WhatsApp API number on LeminAi. The next step is to connect your WhatsApp API number to the LeminAi dashboard. Open app.leminai.com. Click on the WhatsApp tab and then click Setup. Now click the Connect WhatsApp button and then click Continue. If you have multiple business portfolios, select the one that you created for WhatsApp Business API. Now, you'll see 2 options to connect your number. First, create a WhatsApp business account. Select this option if you want to connect your number directly to WhatsApp Business API. You'll also choose this option if you want to use Meta's free virtual number. Second, connect a WhatsApp Business app. Select this option if you want to continue using the WhatsApp Business app on your mobile phone while also connecting it to the API dashboard. In this case, the number you're using for WhatsApp Business API must already be registered on the WhatsApp Business app. Let's understand both options one by one. First, if your number is already registered on the WhatsApp Business app, we will connect it using the coexistence method. For that, select the Connect a WhatsApp Business app option and click Next. Select your country code and click Next. Click Next again. You'll receive a message from Facebook Business on your WhatsApp. Open the message and click the Connect button. Then, keep clicking Next and scan the QR code displayed on the screen. After the scan is complete, you will see the option to select your time zone. Select your time zone and click Next. Then click Confirm and finally click Finish and that's it, it's done. Now let's look at the second option if you want to use the number only on the API dashboard. If you want to connect your number directly to WhatsApp Business API, select the Create a WhatsApp Business Account option and click Next. Select your business category and click Next. Now click Add a new number. Select your country code and enter the number on which you want to activate WhatsApp Business API. Make sure that the number you enter here does not already have a WhatsApp account. After that, set your WhatsApp display name. Select the mobile number verification method and click Next. You'll receive an OTP. Enter it here and click Next. Click Confirm and finally click Finish and that's it. Your number has now been connected to WhatsApp Business API. Now let's talk about how to use Meta's free virtual number for your WhatsApp Business API setup. Meta also provides a virtual number that supports chat only, not voice calls. To use the Meta's virtual number, you'll again select the Create a WhatsApp Business Account option. Select this option and click Next. Select your business category and then click Next again. Now click Use a display name only and enter your WhatsApp display name. Make sure it matches your business document. Otherwise, verification may become difficult. After that, click Next. Now click Confirm and then click Finish. It's done. Meta has assigned you a virtual number, which is also now visible here. And it is also be connected to the LeminAi's dashboard. Step 4, Business Verification Process. After connecting your number, go back to Meta Business Suite. After that, click on Start Verification button and then click on Get Started. Select your country and click Next. Then select your business type and click Next again. If your business is registered, click Registers. If it isn't registered yet, click on Not Yet Registered. Enter the required business details and click Next. Click Next again. Confirm your mobile number and website and then click Next. Complete the CAPTCHA verification and click Next. Now select your business. If your business isn't listed here or if the business details are incorrect, click My Business Isn't Listed and then click Next. You'll now see the Business Verification tab. Select the method through which you want to verify your business. You will receive a confirmation code through the selected method. Enter that code here and click Next. If you selected My Business Isn't Listed, you may need to upload your business documents for verification. Once completed, your verification status will change to In Review. Verification actually takes around 2 to 3 hours, but in some cases it may take up to almost 24 hours. With that, your WhatsApp Business API setup is successfully completed. Now you can log into app.leminai.com and start sending messages from there. You will also receive some free money, which you can use to try the platform at no cost. You can also explore amazing features like chatbot, AI agent, drip campaigns, reminders, and much more. And to be honest, you'll find some amazing features that are available only on this LeminAi platform, and they will help you save a lot of money. If you face any issues at any step, don't worry. Connect us at 9682828181. The LeminAi team is always available to help. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video. And if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe. We'll continue bringing you more useful videos like this. See you in the next video.